I would like to welcome one and all who have gathered here to witness today's program, that is Chinara Chilipili. It's my immense pleasure to be here to witness today's show of beautiful angels. It is said that God resides in a child in his innocence, in his naughtiness. I, as a teacher, have an opportunity to interact with these gods every day. I am blessed to be with them. You might have many memorable days in your life. I can assure you that today will also be a memorable day because all our children are being on stage. Each one of them are unique. They will enjoy being in the limelight. Each day in the school is a new experience for your child. These experiences help them to grow in a most remarkable and integrated way. Friends, do you think children at this age can confidently stand on stage with lighting, music and perform in front of this vibrant crowd? But our children are made to do so. Just wait and watch. Now, I request our beloved headmistress, Mr. Jyotha, to address this gathering.
Good morning. I welcome you all to this beautiful, memorable day which is going to happen, and our children is going to rock the stage. It's very nice day to see them first time on stage and performing like this. We are very happy if they climb till here. So on stage, whether they're crying, dancing, telling something, standing still, we are very happy for that. And I think more than us, you will be happy because we are habituated seeing each batch. We get excited and motivated each time. That is different, but for you, the chances are less than us to get motivated and excited like this. So it's a nice crowd to see that eagerly waiting to open the curtain. I won't take much time. If you are here to be excited and to be happy like this, you want to imagine that what will be the future of these children. Only for that reason, I would wholeheartedly welcome you for the primary exhibition in NDH. Please book your date, 18th October, don't keep anything. Please come to see our primary children from 1st to 8th standard, how these children will be one day, fearless, motivated, happy and unstoppable. So please book your date. I again welcome you for that day. Enjoy your show today. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. Before that, let's ignite some thoughts today. Say yes or no?
Yes.
I'll ask you a few riddles. You have to think and then answer. Are you ready to give answer for the riddles?
Yes.
I can't hear you properly.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Yes, done. That's the spelling. First one. No one can count me. I'm visible only at night. I always shine like a diamond. What am I?
Stars.
Wow, that's great answer. Now, can you tell me which rhyme you can relate to stars? Yes. Then all of you sing for this rhyme for me. Come on guys, fast! How I wonder what you are, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Wow, all are good singers, like our children. Great. Next, second one. I went to London to see Queen Elizabeth. There I frightened my friend who was sitting under the chair. Can you tell me which rhyme I'm talking about? Yes, that's a great answer. Very proud to have these parents. I feel rhymes are melodious and gives rhythmical sense to budding minds. Do you know why we can't forget our childhood rhymes? Yes, so we will enjoy those rhymes. During my school days, I visited someone's place with my parents. They used to encourage me to recite these rhymes always. The reason was I enjoyed the rhymes and would have recited those rhymes with full of joy. So friends, rhymes make a great avenue to bond our children with musical sense. So let's welcome our A-Batch children on stage who are ready to take us to the world of rhymes. Welcoming big round of applause. Say everyone hi. Hi. Very good. Now are you all ready, children? Yes. So our children, you all said twinkle twinkle little star. You told about the star, and our children are here ready to tell you all about the sun. 1, 2, 3, start. So you told about the diamond, now it is the fireball. Very good. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗರು ಊಟದ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದು ಎಣಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? 1, 2, 3, start. Are going to welcome someone. Who is that? Hathi Raja. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Very good! Super! Now there are so many small bits of paper fallen down. Our children will sing a rhyme and clean up the place. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start! Very good! ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗರೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಕಾರ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. 1, 2, 3, start! Very good. Give them a big round of applause. Wow, they really recited in a magical tune. Give them a thunder of applause.
CK Production, short 1.
ಚಿಟಿ ಮೈರು ಇವವರ ಆಳು 100 ಆಳು ಮಾದರಿ.
CK Production, short 2.
Minama, don't underestimate the power of a common man.
Chennai Express.
The actor or the actress couldn't have been the stars without their action or acting skills. Do you know method make them active? That is action. We all believe in the proverb saying that action speaks louder than the words. A hug, a smile, a blink, a rose, they all are actions. They are more expressive than the words. We want our children to understand, to concentrate, to be motivated, to be expressive whenever it is needed. So let's welcome our BBAT children on stage with a huge round of applause. Say hi to everyone. Yes. Now our children are a bundle of energy. So they will exhibit a few games to you. So in this game, one is included as making popcorn. So they will tell you a recipe how to make a popcorn. Must be all of you are surprised. They will give you a better recipe. Ready, children? Yes. 1, 2, 3, start. I told there's a recipe, but they all came and sat down. Now you see, they are all the corn seeds which are put in the vessel. Now I will keep this vessel in the microwave, and when I switch on the switch, ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಬಿಸಿ ಆಯ್ತು So what is ready? Hot popcorns are ready to go. Wow. So we have something hot popcorns. Let's have something cold now. Ready? All of you take your position for ice cream. Yes. It was a very hot day. I decided to have ice cream. So I removed the freezer, took out the ice cream tray, kept it on the table. I had a call to attend. Once I got back from the call, you know what happened to the ice creams in the tray? See it yourself. Dub 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 dub. Oh, the ice cream melted. So then all the ice cream are laughing at my mistake. So I got an idea. Now I decided to keep the ice cream tray back into the freezer. And once in the freezer, see it yourself what happened. Dub, 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 dub. Yay! So I got back the ice cream. Many flavors: butterscotch, pista, strawberry, vanilla, chocolate. Thank you, children. Now let's play the statue game. Yeah, you should not come very much front, okay? What will happen if you come front? What will happen? You will fall, okay? We'll play walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Now all of you salute statues. Salute. Wow, very good. Again. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Now all of you flying statues. Like a bird. Wow, so many birds flying in the air. Very good. Again. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Drinking statues. Drinking. Very good. Again. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Sitting statues. Sitting. Wow, very good. Again. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Now sleeping statues. Wow, very good. Give them a big round of applause. Now, our children will show you some facial expressions. Ready? Yes. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Children, I want you all to have a happy face. Happy face. We love to see them like this. Yes. Again. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Children, now I want all of you to have a sad face. Sometimes they are like this. Very good. Again. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Now I want your angry face. If you don't listen to them, sometimes they are like this. Very good. Again. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Surprised face.
This is just an expression. Our children are not scared of anything. Very good. That's why they'll never do this expression. Again, walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Now children, dirty face. Very good. Again, walk, walk, walk. Now children, I want your proud face. Proud. Very good. This is very nice. You are very proud to see them like that. Very good. Again, walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Now children, shy face. Ella nachpadi. Eng nachpadira. They are not shy. This is just an expression. Thank you, children.
Wow, what a great expression. Give them a huge applause. Once, professor called up a plumber and asked him to come to college. Plumber came and asked, "What's the problem, sir?" Then professor says, "You have to check from where the question paper is leaking." Now, the next group will come on stage to express their things through their body language to show illusion of reality and also simplicity of thought and moment. So let's welcome our ABAC children on stage with a huge round of applause.
So first it was the B batch to entertain you with games. Now it's the A batch. Yes, must be you are all wondering why are they just bending down like that? No, they are all the sowing seeds of Chitrakuta. Now once Babita ma'am will come and water them, you see what will happen. There will be some magic happening in front of you. Yes. Ready? Dub dub, 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 dub dub. So the magic was from a sown seed, they are grown into trees. Very good. And these trees will give you flowers. Then what else? Fruits. Then what else? Vegetables. And then fresh air. Wow, give them a big round of applause. Yes. Now we'll pluck some fruits from these vegetables and we'll make some cocktail. Ready, children? Yes! So it's the fruit time. So all of you go back and stand. Yes. Now you must be wondering what are they doing. Yes. Now the first fruit which I am going to call is the apple. Twink, twink, twink. The next fruit I am going to call is the banana. Twink, twink, twink. The next fruit I am going to call is the mango. Twink, twink, twink. The next fruit I am going to call is the chiku. Twink, twink, twink. The next fruit I am going to call is the orange. Twink, twink, twink. So you must be wondering what did they do jumping? They are all into the mixie jar. Now once I switch on the mixie, what is ready? So juice is ready. Wow, very good. All of you like? How about the juice? Super. They didn't offer it, but they had it themselves. Thank you. Now we'll play the statue game? Yes. What? Don't Very good. Again. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Sleeping statues. Very good. Now these children also will show you the same expressions but different faces. Okay? Ready? Yes, again. Walk, walk, walk. Children, now I want to see your happy face. Show me your happy face. Wow, that's very nice. Very good. Now, walk, 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 walk. Walk, walk, walk. Now, children, show me your sad face. Sad. Very good. Again. Walk, walk, walk. Now, children, show me your angry face. All of you show me your angry face. Gopa, Wow, very good. Again, walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Children, now show me your surprised face. Chota Bheem aur mane ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಂತೆ. ನೀನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇಗೆ ಚೋಟಾ ಭೀಮ್ ಬಂದ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ನೀನು? Very good. Super. Okay, again. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Now, children, show me your scared face. Scared. They will never show this expression. Very good. Again, walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Now, children, show me your dirty face. Very good. Again, walk, walk, walk. Now, show me your proud face. Proud. Again. Very good. Yes. Walk, walk, walk. Last but not the least, show me your shy face. Match ke ಹೆಂಗ್ ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು? ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಕೆನೆ ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ? Very good. Thank you, children.
Wow, really it was a transfix game. Give them a huge round of applause for these children. Stand in this right line, children. Now, it's time to introduce these beautiful kiddos to you people. Arush, say hi. Diyali. Chinmayi. Charitra. Sanvi. Pranay. Shreyas. Anagha. Harshad. Sanvi. Sorry, Anvita. And Anagha. Ananya. Give them a huge round of applause for their great performance. Good performance, children. Very proud of you. Once, wife says to her husband, I want you only to be my husband in my next life too. Husband felt very happy and he asked, why darling? Then wife says, then what? How much effort taken by me to change you in this life should not be wasted, no? Next, a fleet of girls will come on stage. With their mellifluent voice, they will recite the rhymes and take us to the world of rhymes. Give them a huge round of applause to welcome them. Say hi. Yes. Now all of you are ready? Super. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗರು ಗಣೇಶನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪದ್ಯ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? 1
ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. 1, 2, 3 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. Very good. Now our children have 2 little hands. What they will do with these 2 little hands? Ready, children? 1, 2, 3 start. Very good. अभी जब बारिश होता है तो पानी कैसे गिरता है? चम चम चम. 1, 2, 3 start. Very good. Thank you, children. Wow, what a great performance. Give them a tons of applause for these children. Now it's time to introduce our little stars to you people. Himali, say hi. Lekhana, Chiran, Manaswini, Sakshi, Arna, Vihan, Jayan, Manasvi, and Abhyuday. Give them a huge round of applause for their great performance. A child's life is not just about studies. It also includes cultural activities like dance, music, rhymes, games, and many other things. Don't you think so? Yes. It's my pleasure to thank our theatre mentor who was very good with our children during the time of theatre. And need not to tell that our children also loves her a lot. So now I request Mr. Brunda to share her experience.
Good morning. Bit louder. Thank you. Do you all know why children are very happy always?
No tension.
No tension. That's there. Then?
They are not worried about marks.
Yes.
They are very simple in their own.
Yes. You know why? Just because they don't have a file in their hard disk that's here, that things can go wrong. And that's why they have more clarity than adults, and which you saw it today. So every child is like a beautiful butterfly in a colorful garden. Some children, some butterflies, they fly at great heights. Some just fly, and some just flap their wings. You saw, some were just raising their voice and telling. Some were busy searching for their parents. Noಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ? Photo ತೆಗಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ? Yeah, because we had told them, you perform, they'll take your photos. Yeah. So, and some were just standing and they knew. But here, height is not important. The attempt, that is very important, and theatre aims at that. So I had a wonderful experience working with these children. Each child is unique, and theatre will give an opportunity for each child to explore its uniqueness. I had a lot of experiences with these M1 children. You must be thinking, M1, just started to go to school. What will they do? So during the preparation, you know what happened, that popcorn game, I had told the children, see how we prepare, you know what corn seeds, you will jump into the vessel, then I'll keep the vessel, because children can't imagine until and unless you show it to them. So when I told the child, one child was not popping up, he was just sitting. I told, see, you have to jump. See, all of them are jumping when I make the sound. Pop, pop, pop. You have to jump. I'm busy. That's what he told me. And I was like dumbstruck. And there was another incident when that ice cream game. Then I told, see, I'll keep back the ice cream in the ice cream tray. You know what happens in the freezer? Then one child comes and asks me, ma'am, current illa andre en martira? I was like, so each child is like a flower. Let it bloom in its own way. I would like to take this opportunity to thank our principal, Mr. Chaitanya, our headmistress, Mrs. Joyta, our teachers, Mrs. Mala, then our M1 teachers, Mrs. Babita, Mrs. Jaya, Mrs. Rihanna, and Mrs. Chaitra. And Vinuta ma'am, thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you, Brunda. From the beginning of the show, we enjoyed a lot and felt very proud to watch our children showcasing their talent. Don't you think so?
Yes.
No, I can't hear.
Yes.
Once?
Yes.
Yes, that's the spirit. At the end of the program also, you have to be this spirit only. This wouldn't have not happened if they wouldn't have got this opportunity. So I'd like to thank our beloved principal, Mr. Chaitanya, and headmistress, Mr. Joyta, to giving this wonderful opportunity for our little kiddos to showcase their talent. And also, I would like to thank all the parents and their relatives and their friends who have gathered here to witness today's program successfully. Thank you, one and all.